So today's deal of the day will be with the pound CHF, and allow me here guys to explain to you the reason behind of this deal. First of all, on the daily chart we can see that the pound CHF has actually reached the highest level of a resistance zone on the bracket of 1.13795. And by zooming in, we can see clearly that the market has indeed failed to make the actual bullish breakout from that level of a resistance zone. And by looking at the left side, we can see that this level was indeed a real level of the resistance over and over for multiple times. Then in the middle, we had number 1 and number 2 fake breakouts from that level, which means that the price of exactly, let's just be precise, 1.13648 is the actual level of a real resistance. And then we can actually start selling the pound CHF right when it falls. But actually, the pound CHF in general is going to continue the rise. What? What are you saying, man? Are you messing with our minds? You just said we are going to sell, then you are telling us to start. You just told us to sell the market, then you tell us that the pound CHF is going to continue the rise? That's so weird. Actually, it's not weird at all. It makes a whole lot of sense. Let me just explain to you something, guys. There is something in Forex. Let me explain to you in brief. When you are having, my friends, actually a support trend line like that, and that level of a support trend line being broken out from with the bullish breakout candle, the normal behavior of the market, that once the actual bullish breakout happens, the market is going to continue the rise till it reach Fibonacci 61.8. After that, it's going to start the retest journey. It's going to continue the fall to reach the broken level of a resistance trend line, and afterwards it's going to continue the rise. That's exactly the case. That's exactly the case right here. First of all, right now we are actually on Fibonacci 61.8, and as you can see, the market has reversed exactly on 61.8 on the real level of the resistance. That's for a starter. Number 2. Right here, guys, we're having the actual resistance trend line, which has been indeed broken out from, which means the pound CHF is now going to continue the fall to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line to create the new support trend line. So as you can see, that is the signal, and as we can see right here, it's going to continue the fall to reach that level, which means our take profit level can actually be on 38.2, which was indeed a previous level of the support right here. Even right here, it was an actual real level of the support. And by the way, let me just now move to the smaller time frame, such as 4 hour. And as you can see, guys, that is what I'm telling you about. Right here we can see the resistance trend line, which has been broken out from. So let's now delete this line, and let's now discuss our entry. Where exactly we can start our trade? Where exactly we can start selling the pound CHF? Let me now use the magic of trend lines, and that can be done by draw here a resistance trend line, actually just like that. First of all, we can see clearly that this level of a resistance trend line has been respected repeatedly. Second of all, if we zoom in right now, we can see clearly that we had right here a real level of the resistance also, and right here we had in the middle that fake breakout. Now, let's just draw here a line on the exact same level of a real resistance, and let's just scroll to the left to see how the market has reacted to those levels. Now check this out. So right here we had a real level of the resistance, another real level of the resistance, and another real level of the resistance, and another real attempt. So a lot of real attempts of a resistance right here. And as you can see, almost every time the market has respected those levels of a resistance attempts. That being said, let's just confirm that we can start selling the pound CHF after it rises for another like 20 pips once it reaches the previous level of a real resistance. And I prefer if you guys can wait a little bit more just to find any good price action in the case that the market is getting ready for the bearish fall, and then you can start selling right here, because if that happens, we will actually end up with with a pattern of head and shoulders, which is going to be a good confirmation to start selling the market right here on that level of the previous resistance. So that being said, we can sell the pound CHF right there, and the take profit level can be placed just right there above 38.2, right here on the previous level of the resistance, which was in the past also a support. And for the stop loss, this time actually our stop loss is not gonna be big, because we can actually make our stop loss just right there, exactly at the peak of the resistance right here at 1.13913. That means that our stop loss, guys, is gonna be for almost 55 pips, I would say, and the take profit level aiming at least 112 pips of profit. So again, guys, here goes your deal of the day for the pound CHF. And again, don't forget, guys, to join the free group of Telegram. As you can see right here, in this group I'm informing everyone what to do about this signal. For example, if I notice that the market, guys, is moving right here in a very strong bullish movement, and it seems like there is no hope for a bearish reversal, I'm going to send a notification right here on the group informing everyone to close the trade right now before it hit the stop loss. So joining this group is going to be for your benefits. And again, I'm telling everyone, this group, guys, is free of charge. You don't have to pay anything at all to join it. You can just find the link in the description below of this video, or in the first comment pinned under this video as well. Make sure to join right here. I left here examples, as you can see, update about the deal of the day signal, that it has been activated. Hold your positions. The trade seems promising so far, and that is exactly what we are doing here in this group. And as you can see, we have sent a number of notifications. Even right here, another update. EURUSDJPY is moving in bullish movement right now. Expect a bearish reversal on resistance. So as you can see, you have got to join this group to receive any possible updates about this deal. So again, guys, don't ever trade by yourself. Don't trade by your own. Join the team of Xtreme Trader. You can join it by actually joining this group as well. So again, guys, I believe it's going to be a good deal, and I wish everyone a good luck. And again, a final reminder that just because this signal came from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% profitable. This signal might fail. It might actually hit the stop loss immediately. So again, be careful and wise about your funds, and make sure that you have been prepared for any potential losses. But hopefully, I think it's going to be a good deal, and we will all make good money with it. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.